Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to talk about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 palette. This is what it looks like here. Don't mind, mine's already a little bit dirty. I've been having lots of fun with this. It is in a nice tin packaging. The moment I saw this on Instagram, I knew I needed to have it. Guys, this is so nice. It does have a lot of weight to it. And this is considered a pressed pigment palette. But you open it up, you do get a huge mirror, and all of these shades, as you can, well, you probably can't, unless I move it closer. I've been having a lot of fun with this palette. It's actually the first day I don't have it on today, but the pigment is so intense. And it's like the subculture pigment, but without the subculture issues that some people were facing, at least for me. I find that they're all very blendable. Nice pigment. They blend like really beautifully. You need a little bit, start off with, and then work it in. Because if not, you're going to get a lot more color than maybe what you want. So just do the littlest bit at first. But guys, this palette is so beautiful. I'm excited to see what they're going to do with the next volume. I'm guessing they're going to do more because this is volume 1. But when you look at those colors, I love this color selection here. I find it to be so unique, but yet so, I don't know, you can just do so many different things. I found myself doing many different looks that I've never done before, so that made me super excited. I like it when I feel inspired to like change up my look. I absolutely love the shimmers, very beautiful. Of course, you can always intensify them by using a little setting spray or Fix Plus, but they are also stunning on their own. The mattes are such a high quality, super pigmented, they blend beautifully. I like how they're true to color that you see in the pan is the color you're going to get in your eye. No funny business, it is just exactly what it shows, which I personally love. I loved these more like neon shades here. I had a lot of fun with, because they're not your standard, like that's not your standard shade you'd ever see in a palette. Same with this one. I know it's in their Riviera palette, but this one's a little bit more of a pink, more highlighter pink, which I love. I think that's so much fun. The one day I had some fun. I used the shimmer, a little bit of the pink, and then a little bit of the purples here to do a look, and some white. I did a nice burgundy look where I took these two shades and then blended it out with some of the mustard. I did a look where I just did the white with a little bit of purple. Oh, that purple, my bad. Just for more of a basic. Of course I stayed basic and did a little bit of like the golds here and then did a little bit of brown. I mean, I've done so many different things so far. I cannot even, wait to do more. But so far, guys, I did want to get on here and talk about this. I absolutely love this. I think if you love Anastasia, you're going to love this palette. If they do another one, I'm totally going to buy it. That's how much I liked it. I find that it was worth the money. The packaging is beautiful. I love the huge mirror. Everything about this I love. And the pigments, too. Let's talk about the size, by the way. These are huge, so you're definitely getting your money's worth. Highly recommend this. But yeah, that is my quick review on this. I totally think this is worth the hype, and if you can get it, definitely get your hands on it. I can't see anybody being unsatisfied. I think if you like these colors, you're going to be very happy. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. It means so much to me. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.